The best way to grow on YouTube is to support other YouTubers. But how will you find small YouTubers to support? Let me show you exactly how to find small YouTubers to support so you can do small YouTuber support the right way. And in return, your channel will grow fast. Just know before we're starting, this video is nothing to do with sub for sub. Small YouTuber support method that I'm going to show you in this video is completely different from sub for sub method. You're not going to subscribe to somebody and ask them to subscribe to your channel in return. You're going to do something different. So after that, if you're still interested in watching, come to my laptop and I'll show you how to find and support those small YouTubers and grow your channel in return. Hey guys, let me show you how to find those small YouTubers you can support. One note before we start. Don't expect to be supported. I know you're eager to get your 1,000 subscribers. I know you're eager to get monetized. With all that said, please don't ask and don't beg people to subscribe to your channel. Even don't mention your channel. This way is to get more exposure. It's not to beg for subscribers. And you reach people, small YouTubers that maybe will be glad to support you. Maybe they won't. Don't expect to be supported in return. Just see channels that you like and you support them. So after that being said, let me show you how to do that. So first, I go to my YouTube and I search my topic or the topic of my channel, my niche, topic of my latest videos. Let's say make money on YouTube. Then I hit enter and it will take me to my YouTube search. I can do it from incognito window, that may help, but let's start with the regular window. And here I'll just go to filters, and the best way to find them is first of all click on channel. So we're looking for channels. Look for channels similar to yours or a little bit bigger than yours. So because I have now almost 700 subscribers, I will look for channels with about 800 and more, but not more than 1,500 because it's a little bit too big. So you see we have different channels. We have very huge channels here and we have channels with 2 subscribers. This may be a little bit, but it's a little bit too big for me. This can be great. Make money internet, 105 videos, 1,000 subscribers, a little bit more than 1,000 subscribers. Let's see what he makes. So he making videos about Vietnamese reviews. I did this too. I have video on Vietnamese. Let's say you're interested in supporting this guy. Go to his videos and let's see his latest upload 3 weeks ago. So those channels that are small channels, they will see your comment right away and they'll probably reply to you. First, I will watch his latest video and then I write in his section something like, hey, great video, something good about his video. Pick one thing that you liked the most about his video. Mention that. All positive, nothing negative. Don't tell him what to do. Don't tell him how to improve himself. Please don't do that. Positive, nice, but make sure he understands that you watch the video and you understand the video. Don't mention your channel name or link, nothing. Don't ask him to come and check your channel. Don't do that. Just tell him that you like his channel, that you have that you're in the same niche or something like that, and then say something nice about his video, about his channel, and say that you are waiting for him to grow, you're waiting for him for the next video or something like that. So that's the way you actually do that. And if you didn't find anything on the channels, let me do the search again. And this time I'm going to watch the videos and I want to choose videos just published this month. So let me click on this month in the filter. First of all, I see right away the number of subscribers, and this is provided by vidIQ free Chrome extension. Yes, you can install free vidIQ Chrome extension and see right away the number of subscribers on this channel, on this video, without actually clicking on each video and checking each channel. So thank you, vidIQ. This is great tool. So this guy is too big for me, definitely too big for me. But we'll see if I have something smaller maybe. Ryan Walsh is a great YouTuber. I love him so much. I watch every video of him, by the way. First of all, he's explaining so well, and he's a great YouTuber. He's publishing really great videos. Definitely go and watch this guy, subscribe to his channel. He's great. He's so honest and good and humble and everything. Well, I'm not trying to promote him or anything. I don't have any connection to Ryan. I just love his channel. So this is too big and this too big, of course. So I don't see anything small yet, but don't give up. Here, I knew I will find you. Naga Mindset, how to make money on YouTube without making videos yourself. And this is a small channel, so I just go to the channel. I'll go to his videos and I'll just watch his recent video. Let's say this one. I'll scroll down and let's say I really watched this video. I'll just add a comment and I'll write something like, let's say something about the video. Then the second thing I will do, I will write something about his channel. And if you see this guy don't really care or don't really respond, you can go to another video and reply there. And if you see he's not responding, then just leave him alone. He's probably not interested in responding to his subscribers. But please don't mention your channel, don't mention nothing about yourself. Let him be curious and go and check your channel without you begging for subscribers. Another way to find small YouTubers is on Instagram, Facebook, other social medias. And if you go into Facebook, let's say, you can find great groups. This is my Facebook, yeah, baby. YouTube. And here you have a page. Just go to this page and look around and see what people saying. You see people posting their vlogs and their channels, and see if you see something on in your niche. And also Instagram is a great place. And on Instagram you can really find good profiles that will provide you many connections to other people who are small YouTubers. And again, don't do sub for sub, don't do follow for follow or stuff like that. Look at the creator, and if you like its channel, you like its videos, subscribe to him and let him know that you subbed, that you like, and that he will understand that you watch his video and you're interested in supporting. So just as an example, I stumbled upon this guy, this video. Just YouTube suggested it to me, and when I watch his video, Joe Evans, I like this channel. It's brand new channel. You can see 28 subscribers, and I just love this content. I watched video after video on his channel and I really love them. So I left a comment telling him, YouTube suggested your video and I found it valuable and informative. Love the way you explain all about gaining your first 100 subscribers fast, and this is what this video was about. Great tip about asking questions. Right now I'm specific because I watched the video, I know what he's talking about, so I wrote him exactly about the video. Didn't think about it, subbed and waiting to see your next videos. And look at his response. He replied to me, "That's so cool to hear that YouTube is actually suggesting my videos. I'm really happy it caught your attention and that you found the info useful. It looks like we're in the same niche and your content is awesome. So I just subbed back. Looking forward to your future videos as well." So I didn't ask him to subscribe. I didn't ask him to look at my channel. I didn't leave any link for my channel. I just told him I liked his video. I told him exactly what I liked about his video. I told him how I found this channel, and it's all true, and I really enjoyed to watch this guy. Of course, I subbed to him, and I think he has great potential to grow really fast. He has great content, by the way, if you want to check him out. His name is Joe Evans, YouTube Tips. So he just checked my channel and found my content good too, I guess, and he decided to subscribe back. And that's how I gained 1 subscriber from just 1 comment. That's why Supporting small YouTubers is so powerful. Want your video to appear in a suggested video shelf next to bigger channels and get views and subscribers? Watch this video where I'm showing you exactly how to put your video next to the huge, big channels, and it will promote your video and make your channel grow fast. And I'll see you there. Bye bye, creator.